To ensure your system is utilizing its full hardware potential, we are going to access the advanced boot configuration. So for this you need to press the window key and R key all together, and in the dialog box you need to type MSConfig, click OK. It will launch the system configuration utility. Once the window appears, navigate to the boot tab at the top and click on the advanced option. So check the box labeled number of processors to unlock the drop down menu below it. From that list select 12 or the highest number available for your specific CPU to manually assign those cores for the boot processor. So now click OK to close the advanced setting and then click apply and OK to the main window. A prompt will appear asking you to restart your computer. Once you reboot, window will initialize using the specific processor configuration you just defined. So click on restart. So this process allows user to feel like they are unlocking the hardware they paid for. This is the primary way to fix issues where Windows is not detecting all the cores of high-end CPU, and moreover, it forces the system to acknowledge the multi-core architecture immediately during the startup sequence. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.